Hi everyone, since we're talking about RVs, I wanted to show you what I've done in our RV to make it a little bit more organized. And the one thing that I love, which actually I do in all my bathrooms at home, is I put on this little dispenser which has body shampoo, regular shampoo, and soap. I use Dr. Bronner's, my husband uses body wash, so we have 3 of those, and that makes it super easy, when we're using the shower, to go ahead and get clean. So that's that. Another thing that I've done a couple things that I really like. Excuse the mess, we just got back from a vacation. Anyhow, I created a library, and this is super important for us because we always want to refer to books whenever we're out and about, and we read a lot. So this whole cabinet is strictly for library books. And then also I have my pens that I used to color with my coloring books, and this is a bunch of kind of separate utensils. What happened, things were falling out, so I actually put this bungee up to keep these books from falling out. But in here I also have some outdoor lighting. This is kind of the little office, my lollipop office I call it. It has pens, a little stapler, tape, envelopes, postcard stamps, and that kind of thing. So it's like a little mini office in there with scissors. That's that. Then what I've also done is in here, I use a lot of bins. So this is actually just kind of a housewares bin, and in it is like the tablecloth and insect repellent and that kind of thing. But over here is the snack bin. So this is snacks. My husband tends to get hungry quick, and so I like to give him some snacks. So I can just pull these out and give him a snack whenever he's saying, "I'm hungry." That's that. Also, the big problem was this daggone closet. What to do with the shoes and so on and so forth. So I actually installed this little ditty, and it holds our shoes, and then in the bottom, it does kind of fall forward, but it does work. In the bottom I have our medical kit, which I'll explain to you a little bit more in another video. Sunscreen, that kind of thing. And then gloves and hats and whatnot there. And then we do have just a little bit of room for hang up clothes. Like I say, we just got back from a trip, so it's a little bit of a disaster. But that kind of gives you an idea of how I organize the hang up closet. So that is it for now. My favorite thing and my favorite part about this whole RV is, ta-da! The coffee maker. That makes me super duper happy. Oh yeah, a couple things. I did install, this was already here. This is a spice cabinet, and you have to brush your teeth on the fly, so I have my toothbrush hanging up there. I do have a flashlight in case I have to run out at night. Some sunscreen, some Nixon thing, but then also spices that go right by the kitchen, which I find super duper handy for me. So really, I think those are the main things that I've done to organize this. Oh yeah, there is one more thing. Right below the TV, we had installed another magazine rack. And you see I have my glasses to read. I also have a flashlight handy dandy. And that's located right below the TV. So I can find, whenever I'm sitting in the back, I can also have reading quick and handy when we're going around bins that I have to open up that overhead. So there you go. Those are the ways that I have found to organize our van, and absolutely love it. It's so much fun. I'll see you guys later.